Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss everything related to personal finance and investment. Today, we'll be talking about the basics of personal investment and providing a beginner's guide to help you get started. Investing is the process of using your money to make more money. It's a great way to build wealth over time, but it can also be intimidating for beginners. In this video, we'll cover the basics of personal investment and provide tips on how to get started. The first step in personal investment is setting your financial goals. This can include saving for retirement, buying a house, or building an emergency fund. Knowing your goals will help you determine the right investment strategy for you. The next step is to determine your risk tolerance. Investing always involves some level of risk, but how much risk you're willing to take on is up to you. Assess your risk tolerance by considering your financial situation, age, and personal preferences. Now that you've determined your goals and risk tolerance, it's time to learn the basics of investing. There are many types of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate. Each investment type has its own unique characteristics and risks. Understanding the basics of each type of investment can help you make informed decisions about where to put your money. Diversification is also an important aspect of personal investment. Diversification means spreading your investments across different types of assets to minimize risk. This can include investing in different sectors, geographic locations, and types of assets. Diversification is important because it can reduce the impact of any one investment on your overall portfolio. Investment fees can also eat into your returns over time. Be sure to understand the fees associated with any investment products you're considering, including management fees, trading fees, and commissions. Finally, investing is a long-term game. Don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your plan and let your investments grow over time. If you're unsure about how to get started with personal investment, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can help you create a customized investment plan based on your individual needs and goals. In conclusion, personal investment can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time. By understanding the basics and taking a disciplined, long-term approach, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a more prosperous future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance and investment tips.